Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to go over today the E minor open chord. E minor open chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Now, the E minor open chord looks like this. It sounds like this. It consists of your E, G, and B. Your first being the E, the third flat being the G, and the fifth being the B. So that's your E minor chord. We'll play it open here. Now on the sixth string, we'll play it open. That's your E. On the fifth string, we're going to use our middle finger, and on the second fret, we're going to play a B. On the fourth string, on the second fret, we'll use our ring finger and play the E. On the third string, we'll play a G, play it open. On the second string, we'll play a B, play it open. And on the first string, we'll play an E, play it open. So practice strumming that and practice playing the notes individually. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like it, and stick around for some more videos.